Meet Ryan. At 19 years old, Ryan believed that getting a university degree was the only path to success. But then he noticed something strange. Some of his friends were earning more money than him before they had even graduated. That's when he realized one simple truth. A degree may help you get a job, but it won't build wealth on its own. If you're a student and want to start building your financial future today, here are 7 side hustles that could eventually grow into a life-changing business. 1. Faceless short-form content. Social media platforms are competing for attention, and they need creators more than ever. You don't even have to show your face. Success comes from creating strong hooks, telling engaging stories, and keeping people watching until the very end. Instead of scrolling for entertainment, study viral videos and ask yourself, why did I keep watching? Post consistently, improve with every video, and your audience will grow. 2. Investing. Investing isn't a side hustle by itself, but it's one of the best ways to grow the money you earn. Build a side hustle that generates income, then invest part of those profits consistently into index funds or other long-term investments. Don't choose between earning and investing. Do both. 3. Discord Community Management. Discord is no longer just for gamers. Businesses, creators, and online communities need people who can build and manage their servers. Learn the platform, offer value first, and become someone your clients can't replace. The more problems you solve, the more you'll earn. 4. Online coaching. If you have a skill that people want to learn, you can turn it into an online coaching business. People don't just pay for information. They pay for guidance, accountability, and personalized support. Help people achieve real results, and your business will grow through referrals. 5. AI animation. Artificial intelligence is changing every industry. Learning AI tools today gives you a huge advantage while most people are still catching up. Use AI to speed up your workflow, but remember, your creativity and skills are what clients are really paying for. The earlier you start, the bigger your opportunity. 6. Reselling luxury items. The luxury resale market continues to grow every year. If you're willing to learn how to identify authentic products and understand the market, you can build a profitable business. Knowledge, trust, and reputation are your biggest competitive advantages. 7. Online writing. Businesses always need great writers. From blog posts and email campaigns to YouTube scripts and sales pages, quality writing is in constant demand. Great copywriters don't just write, they persuade. The better you become at communicating ideas and solving business problems, the more valuable your work becomes. Final thoughts. The biggest mistake you can make is waiting until graduation to start building valuable skills. Choose one side hustle, stay consistent, improve every week, because the money you earn today can become the investment that builds your future wealth. Your degree may open doors, but your skills, consistency, and willingness to take action are what truly create financial freedom. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments.